move on to the next one. And here you want to remember very interesting one. Normally when we affect by cold or cough or coronavirus or flu, means automatically doctor will try to give some other medicines only, not to target the same medicine. For example, doctors will give antibiotics which is having the characteristic to kill some of the material. But normally if a person is affected by bacteria or if a person is affected by fungi, we can give antibiotics. That antibiotics medicine will work. But if a person is affected by virus, normally the medicines won't work. Why? We know already the structure of virus. It doesn't contain any cell wall or cell membrane. It has only genetic material which is surrounded by a protein. When it is get inside our body, directly it will enter into our cell and it started to produce the protein of our own kind. So our body started to produce the protein of virus. So automatically our body started to produce more number of viruses. So when we give medicines, automatically it will started to kill our cells. So for that only we are telling there is no separate medicines for viruses. Why? Viruses doesn't contains any cell wall or cell membrane. So it will enter into our body, started to multiply within our cells with our own machineries. So it will, when we give medicines, it will started to kill our cells. It is very dangerous to the human being. That's why there is no a proper medicine for viruses. And we'll give other medicines. It started to work, depends upon the different human beings. Normally antibiotics directly won't work for viruses, only indirect effect will get. Next one and next one we want to see what is vaccine. So till now we saw what is antibiotics. Antibiotics means, you want to understand clearly, antibiotics means after disease. Okay, antibiotics means if you are not feeling well, you will meet a doctor. Doctor will give antibiotic. Name of the antibiotic might be penicillin or streptomycin or tetracycline or erythromycin. So after disease, if a doctor is giving a medicine, means that is, we'll call it as antibiotic. And before disease even a doctor is giving, means that is only we'll call it as vaccine. That is only we'll call it as vaccines. So what is vaccine? Vaccine is a medicine. It is giving before the disease to prevent the disease. Okay, before the disease to prevent the disease. And same like antibiotic, even vaccines are produced from the microorganisms. Vaccines are produced from the microorganisms. How do they prepare vaccines? Here they will kill the same. For example, if they are going to prepare a vaccine for coronavirus, means they will kill the coronavirus, or they will weak the coronavirus and they will inject into some bodies. Automatically that injection will contains same coronavirus in the low percentage of their virulent conditions, and it started to produce antibodies in that body. And afterwards, if a person is exposed to the same kind of disease also, a person won't get a disease. That's a thing concept behind in a vaccines. So here you want to remember, vaccine is given before the disease event to prevent the disease. What is vaccine? Vaccine is nothing but it is of the same microorganism. They'll kill or they will weaken the microorganisms, and it was given either orally or in the form of injection. For example, we always used to have till our 5 years polio drops. Okay, polio drops is nothing but the vaccine only. Polio drop is nothing but a vaccine, that is oral vaccine. That oral vaccine contains a virus in the form of killed or they are weakened conditions. So if it was introduced into our body will sense some antigen, some new things was introduced into our body. So our body blood started to produce some antibodies against the antigens. So the antibody will fight and automatically the antigen was killed and will not get any disease, and if you get also will get rid from the disease and will be free. That is the concept behind vaccine. So what is vaccine? Vaccine is before disease or to prevent disease the doctor used to give. And what is, where it is produced and how it is produced? It is produced in industries. And how it is produced? It is produced in the same kind of microorganisms. Corona means they will take the same coronavirus, okay, but antibiotic means to kill bacteria they may use fungi. To kill fungi they may use bacteria, but here vaccine means to kill, to not to kill, to prevent from the same microorganism. They should give the same microorganism in the weakened form or killed form, and they'll give in the form of orally or injected in the form of injection to prevent the disease. And who first discovered vaccine means Edward Jenner, who in the year of 1796. So here you want to remember the difference between antibiotic and also vaccine. Just you discuss with your parents how many vaccine they have given for you, and there must be a very huge list from newborn, 1 week, 1.5 week and 3 months. Every month they have a very good schedule for the vaccination. So vaccination is particularly meant to prevent the disease. And what this vaccine will contain? They'll contain the same type of microorganisms in the form of killed or weakened form. Imagine if I am throwing a dead snake in front of you, and automatically your body will get alert. And if I throw second time a alive snake means automatically you will not have that much amount of fear. Same concept was behind in the vaccine also. So we are introducing the killed form of dead form of the microorganisms. So your blood will detect some new thing was introduced into our body. So to fight against, your body will start to produce some antibodies. And if a person was exposed again to the same disease, a person will never get disease. Maybe 99.9% a person will never get a disease. That is the principle behind vaccination. Next we'll see, and this microorganisms also very important to increase soil fertility. We know soil should contain nitrogen, phosphates and calcium. These are the nutrients, okay. These nutrients only will very helpful for the growth and development of the plant. So some of the bacteria and some of the bacteria and blue-green algae, both, no, it will help to fix the nitrogen from the atmosphere. How means they'll have a mechanism to fix the atmospheric nitrogen to the soil. So automatically soil will have more number of nitrogen. That was done by only microbes, not by other any factors. So nitrogen will be in the atmosphere in 78%. That nitrogen should reach the soil either by two reasons. One by thundering or lightning, second by microorganisms. And the microorganism has the capacity to fix the nitrogen from the atmosphere to the soil. That was done by a blue-green algae, okay. And it will help to increase the nitrogen. Next one, we want to see other interesting one. It will help to clean the environmental too. For example, imagine some microorganisms, no, it will help to decompose dead organic waste of plant and animals. Thereby it will convert them into a simpler substance. So automatically our environment will be cleaned by bacteria and fungi. So normally we used to call bacteria and fungi are scavengers. They used to clean the environment. Imagine there is no microorganisms on means automatically we can see so much of plant waste, animal waste as such only. It is not at all degraded by microorganisms. So cleaning of the environment was done by the microorganisms only. Now quickly we'll recap what we saw. So we saw the types like we saw the preparation of curd, bread and cake, and how the algal wine and acetic acid was produced, how medicines and vaccines, how cleaning up the environment, increasing soil fertility. Thank you.